Good morning, all of student, class 8. The next chapter is polygon. A simple closed curve made up of only line segment is called a polygon. For example, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon and decagon. According as its contents for side 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 for a regular polygon of n sides. Some formula, अगर किसी चीज का हम लोग किसी पॉलीगॉन का एक्सटीरियर एंगल निकालना है तो उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? इच एक्सटीरियर एंगल इज इक्वल टू 360 बाई n डिग्री. Each interior angle is equal to 180 minus each exterior angle. Sum of all exterior angle is equal to 4 into right angle. Sum of interior angle is equal to 2n minus 4 into right angle. Number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. इसी फार्मूला पे पूरे चैप्टर को हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे. Exercise 14A, question number 1. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular pentagon. फर्स्ट का फर्स्ट पेंटागन. नंबर ऑफ साइड्स क्या हो गया? नंबर ऑफ साइड्स पेंटागन में 5 है, तो इच एक्सटीरियर एंगल, इच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ पेंटागन क्या लिखे थे फॉर्मूला? 360 बाई n, 360 बाई n डिग्री, where n is a number of sides. That means 360 by 5, 72 ja 72 degree. Answer, it's your. Question number 2. Is it possible to have a regular polygon each of whose exterior angle is 50 degree? Exterior angle is given, so each exterior angle is equal to 50 degree. Each exterior angle is given 50 degree. Let the number of sides of the given polynomial be n. So each exterior angle 360 by n degree. The exterior angle is given 50 is equal to 360 by n. By cross multiplication, n is equal to 360 by 50, 36 by 5 degree. Is not a whole number, which is not a whole number, which is not a whole number. क्या हो जाएगा? So it is not possible to have a regular polygon, each of whose exterior angle is 50 degree. Answer. Question number 3. Find the measure of each interior angle of regular polygon having 10 sides. 10 sides. At first find exterior angle. Each exterior angle of polygon. 360 by n degree. 360 by 10, 36 degree. Each interior angle of polygon 180 minus each exterior angle 180 minus 36 144 degree. It's your answer. Question number 5. What is the sum of all interior angle of a regular pentagon? 5 का first pentagon. That means number of sides 5, number of sides. पेंटागन में कितने साइड होता है? 5, तो 5 हो गया. The sum of interior angle. The sum of interior angle. Two n minus 4 into right angle. That means 90 degree. 2 into 5 minus 4 into 90. 10 minus 4 into 90 क्या हो गया? 6 into 90 is equal to 540 degree. It's your answer. Question number 6. What is the number of diagonals in a heptagon? The heptagon है तो number of sides कितना हो गया इसका? 7. The number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. The value of n 7 into 7 minus 3 by 2. 7 into 7 minus 3 4 by 2. 2 2 जा 4, 2 7 जा 14. That means 14 diagonals. Question number 7. Find the number of sides of regular polygon whose each exterior angle measure 40 degree. Each exterior angle is given 40 degree. The number of sides is equal to 360 by 40. 40 9 ja, that means 9 sides. It's your answer. The chapter is complete.